Ring cameras sometimes struggle to connect to 5 GHz Wi-Fi due to several reasons. Let's explore the main causes. Most Ring models are primarily designed for 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for better range and battery life. This comparison shows the differences between the two bands. 5 GHz offers faster speeds but has shorter range and is more susceptible to interference from household devices. Compatibility issues with routers and devices can prevent successful connections. Check your router settings as shown. Outdated firmware on the camera or router can also prevent a 5 GHz connection. Always update your devices. Start by ensuring both your Ring camera and your Wi-Fi router have the latest firmware. Ring releases updates that specifically address 5 GHz connectivity issues and handshake errors. Check the Ring app for camera updates. Check your router's administration panel for firmware updates. Outdated firmware is a common cause of connection problems. To check your router settings, start by accessing your router's admin panel through a web browser. Usually, enter the IP address 192.168.1.1 in your browser and log in with your admin username and password. Once in the router settings, ensure that the 5 GHz wireless network is enabled and broadcasting. Look for the wireless or Wi-Fi settings section and verify that the 5 GHz band is turned on. Check if your router has a band steering feature enabled. This feature can automatically push devices like your Ring camera to the 2.4 GHz network, which might be causing connection issues on 5 GHz. If band steering is enabled, consider disabling it. Alternatively, create separate SSIDs for each frequency band. This allows you to manually choose which network your Ring camera connects to. Finally, try changing the 5 GHz channel in your router settings. Avoiding channels 36 through 48 can sometimes improve connectivity, as these channels may experience interference in some environments. 5 GHz Wi-Fi signals have a shorter range compared to 2.4 GHz signals. While 2.4 GHz can reach up to 150 feet indoors, 5 GHz typically covers only 50 to 100 feet and is more easily blocked by walls and obstacles. To optimize 5 GHz connectivity, ensure your Ring camera is positioned within 50 to 100 feet of the router. A clear line of sight without major obstructions is crucial for maintaining a strong signal. Walls, furniture, and other physical obstructions can significantly weaken 5 GHz signals. Materials like concrete, metal, or even mirrors can create dead zones where the camera loses connection. Download a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your smartphone to measure the 5 GHz signal strength at your camera's location. Look for signal strength in dBm. Stronger signals are closer to 0, while weak signals are more negative. If the signal strength is weak, consider relocating your router to a more central location or using a Wi-Fi extender to bridge the gap. Ring chime devices can also serve as extenders to improve connectivity. Ring offers devices like the Chime Pro, which can serve as Wi-Fi range extenders. These devices help bridge the connection between your router and Ring camera, particularly when the camera is located far from the router. The Chime Pro creates a bridge that extends your Wi-Fi network's reach. It connects to your router and then provides a stronger signal to your Ring camera, solving distance-related connection problems. Setting up the Chime Pro begins with pairing it to your smartphone via Bluetooth. This initial connection allows the device to join your network securely before extending the Wi-Fi signal. Once paired, enable 5 GHz bridging in the Ring app settings. This feature allows the Chime Pro to specifically handle 5 GHz connections, providing the faster speeds your camera needs while maintaining stability. Using a Ring Chime Pro or similar range extender can significantly improve connection stability for your Ring camera. It ensures reliable 5 GHz connectivity even at greater distances from your router. Interference from other devices can disrupt the 5 GHz signal. Microwaves, Bluetooth devices, and our wireless electronics can cause interference. Microwaves operate on 2.4 GHz but can spill over and interfere with 5 GHz signals. Bluetooth speakers, baby monitors, and cordless phones can also disrupt signals. Try turning off these devices temporarily to see if it improves the Ring camera's connection. If interference is the problem, consider moving the router or the interfering devices to different locations. If you're still having trouble connecting your Ring camera to 5 GHz Wi Fi, consider upgrading to a router that supports Wi Fi 6 or 6E. These newer standards offer significant improvements over older Wi Fi versions. Wi Fi 6 and 6E standards excel at handling interference from household devices like microwaves or neighboring networks. They also include better device management features, ensuring your Ring camera and other smart devices maintain stable connections even in busy environments. Another solution is to use mesh networks, which consist of multiple Wi Fi access points working together to create seamless coverage throughout your home. Systems like Amazon Eero or Google Nest are excellent choices and integrate well with Ring cameras. Mesh networks dynamically assign Wi Fi bands, automatically moving devices like your Ring camera between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz based on conditions. This intelligent approach reduces dependency on 5 GHz alone and significantly improves connection stability throughout your home. As a last resort for connecting your Ring camera to 5 GHz Wi Fi, try performing a factory reset. This will erase all settings and allow a fresh setup. A factory reset will erase all existing settings on your Ring camera, giving you a clean slate to configure it again from the beginning. To perform the factory reset, open the Ring app and follow the step-by-step instructions provided in the app's device settings. Once the reset is complete, go through the setup process again. When prompted to choose a Wi-Fi network, specifically select your 5 GHz network to connect the camera. If the 5 GHz connection still fails after performing a factory reset and attempting to reconnect, reach out to Ring customer support for additional help and troubleshooting.